This is called Chasing Buckles. Well, my trailer blew a tire. I was south of Henrietta. I never thought I'd ever make it to Stephenville. My old truck is running on fumes, and it sure does seem like I guess we'll try and push each other there. Well, I almost made the finals. I was bucking out in pickles, and the Cisco kid, he threw me at 710. I ran into old Del Brisby at the stockyard out in Fort Worth, and he told me that he thought I had what it takes. Chasing buckles out on the circuit. Ain't no part of me right now that ain't hurting. On to the next town before the sun down. I hope someday to make the NFR. Sit back in the saddle. Them old broncs, they'll keep you rattled when you're cinching up inside a metal shoe. I'm just waiting for the turnout. I'm just hoping I can ride it. And I'll throw my hat in the air and I'll lift my hands up high. When you're chasing buckles out on a circuit, ain't no part of me right now that ain't hurt. On to the next town before the sun down. I hope someday to make the NFR. Well, next weekend is Amarillo. I'm not sure how I'll be feeling, but you can't let the pain shake you when you ride. I left my rodeo girl in Big Screen, and it always seems the same. You can't go chasing love. I'm chasing buckles out on the circuit. You know there ain't no part of me right now that ain't hurt. On to the next town before the sun down. I hope someday to make the NFR.